In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Wells Fargo bank account online. Whether you're looking to set up a brand new checking or savings account, this step-by-step guide will make the process simple and straightforward. So let's dive right in and explore how you can conveniently start banking from the comfort of your home. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the Wells Fargo website by typing in wellsfargo.com. Once you've arrived on their homepage, you'll want to look towards the top of the page. Here, you'll see a menu bar. Go ahead and click on the option that says Open an Account. This will direct you to a page where you can explore the different types of accounts that Wells Fargo has to offer. Now, this next step involves choosing the type of account that best suits your financial needs. You'll see options for various accounts like checking, savings, and more. Take a moment to consider what each type offers and what you're specifically looking to achieve with your new account. Once you've made your decision, select your preferred option. After choosing the account type, you'll see a button labeled Apply Now. Click on this button to start your application. This is where you'll begin filling in your personal details. Be ready to provide some fundamental information, such as your name, address, social security number, and other necessary details. It's essential to enter this information accurately to avoid any delays in the application process. With your details submitted, the next step is to review the terms and conditions. It's important to read through these carefully to understand the commitments you're making. If everything looks good, go ahead and agree to these terms to proceed with your application. Finally, you'll reach the funding stage of creating your account. Wells Fargo will present you with options to fund your new account. You can either transfer money from an existing account or make a deposit. Choose the method that works best for you, ensuring that you meet any minimum balance requirements that your chosen account type might have. And there you have it. Once you've completed the funding process, you'll see a confirmation screen letting you know that your new Wells Fargo bank account is officially open. You're now equipped with the tools you need to manage your finances more effectively, all thanks to your new Wells Fargo account. Congratulations on taking this fantastic new financial step. If you followed along, your Wells Fargo account is ready to use and you're now set up to manage your money with ease. Thanks for watching and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and guides. Happy banking!